This is the place where we will stay here in Chiang Mai. Luchik, you might fall down. So this is the main entrance. So from the main entrance, you can see already the dining area and then the kitchen. So we go first here in the living room. Adeline is watching already. This is our living room. And over here is the balcony. This is our view. So let's go inside. By the way, they have barbecue area. So let's check if we can grill this. The kids didn't cry when they entered the house. So this is the other view from balcony. It is high ceiling. Let's check the kitchen. Okay, so we have fridge. These are the cup and glasses, and they also provide water. Papa, this
very
is water,
unusual
right?
way to provide water.
Yeah, this is the water, so it's in
Water
the
actually
bottle.
quite nice. Yeah.
Is it mineral? Like this?
I don't know. Looks like mineral. Yeah. It's also like weather acceptable. Like we don't need the need for the fan. It's still manageable.
Yeah,
Heat
it's not so
manageable.
hot.
Not too hot. Not too hot.
Yeah. Papa. So let's check over here. They have some coffee area, and then some microwave, then some stove here, and this is the sink. They also have some coffee maker, electric kettle. Okay, so let's go here. They have some oven. This. Okay. Before we enter here, we go here first. I want to show this. So they have a lot of glass, which is nice. You can see the view. You see. So we go first here in the toilet. So this is the common toilet. Sink like this, and then this one. So toilet bowl. They have bidet, and then over here is the shower area. So let's go up now. Over here like this. They have some nice paintings over here. So it's nice, you can see it and then enjoy the view over here like this. I will see it. And then I have some view. Some plants. Okay, let's go first here in this room, the first room. Okay, a little bit dark because the curtain, but this is the room. So they have nice painting. Mother breastfeeding. Okay, so like this. Okay, so this is the balcony here, over here. Okay, let's go to the masters. This is the toilet. So maybe we go first in the master's bedroom. This one. Okay. Let's go to the toilet. This is the toilet. Okay, shower area, toilet bowl, and then the sink. So it's just connecting door from the master's bedroom. Then over here, you see, it's just connecting. So this is the place where we go stay. Luchik is enjoying his view while eating seaweed, which is nice also because he makes some mess, like he like to lick and then just leave the seaweed over there. So he don't make mess inside the house because he is outside. Yeah, and then he cannot go anywhere also. So he just like sitting, and then he can also watch here. You see, he's watching. Oops, not watching already. Our Adeline is here, busy watching. Adeline. Just be gentle, gentle. Our accommodation provided us some water here. This one, and then this we bought some grocery stuff. It's very crazy, right? Because it's a crazy ride because it's about an hour.
Yeah, more than 1 hour, and
Yeah.
Adelina was very capricious during the ride.
So like we will do it only like one time grocery. So at least we are safe already because we have some egg here for the kids for their breakfast, because we will eat outside. At least breakfast they have something to eat, some snacks like this. Oh, I also want to try this, and then some cereals for the kids. Oh, we also bought some kimchi, soap like this, some other stuff. Oh, we also bought some chicken for the kids, but the chicken already finished the. No, this is the fries we still have. What else we bought? For salad also, we have this one for salad, and also this one for breakfast. Some Thai mango, the fried one, like this. Soap. What else? Bread. We also have bread, and then peanut butter. This is fried rice. We bought fried rice on the way for tomorrow. And then some salad. This is for salad. Juice like this. Adelina requested some yogurt drink. So yeah, these are all our stuff for 1 week. I hope it will sustain. Oh, where is the banana? Oh, okay. We also saw this banana, this local banana, which we always buy in 7-Eleven. So how is it? Same taste?
But almost same, yeah.
Huh?
Try almost the same.
Same?
Yeah.
So let's try. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But this one is little fat, a little bit fat. Or same.
I am. Maybe the
Banana.
potato is slightly different.
Mm-hmm. Luchik already finished his vitamin. This is beta-gen. Beta-gen, eh?
No.
What is this? Beta-gen. So he like, because he drink Yakult, he like this. We don't have Yakult here. And this one he like. That's all.
Yeah, for comparison you can take the...
But this is with chocolate.
Yeah, but basically, yeah, but it's actually similar taste, yeah.
I still have in my mouth. Tea also for Archie. He want to try ginger with lavender. Later pa. So that's all. What we got. Like difficult to ride because the air is dry. And then like
Adeline always
not
want
yet
to drink water.
Not yet halfway, right?
Yeah.
Not yet halfway, Adeline already complained because we forgot to bring water. And she said, water, water! Luckily, on the way, we saw some coffee shop. So we bought some bottled water there. It sustained until we reached Big C in Chiang Mai. So it's like about 1 hour drive from motorbike. 1 hour or 1 hour plus? I don't know already, but like it's quite long.
Yeah, like 1 hour plus, yeah.
But we managed to sustain. Yeah. So if we lost, so if like our stock is like we need to buy something, maybe we just buy in the local shop. Yeah, but at least some basic snacks like this for the kids we have here. While Archie is working because Archie, I cannot ride motorbike. That's why we bought some snacks. When Archie finishes work, then we can go out and eat. Okay, that's all. I'm very tiring already. I already cook breakfast for them. So yes, this is actually they already eat peanut butter because they are hungry when they woke up. Yes, it's hot. So after that I cook some egg. Me and Adelina cook egg because Adelina likes to help me cooking egg. This is my young assistant, right? Adeline, you like to cook egg? Yes. And this is the fried rice which we bought last night. But they are eating egg. Maybe later I'll offer the fried rice. We are here outside. And then Archie over there already started working. There. So me and the kids are here. Little bit cooling. But our little girl don't want to wear clothes. Only me and Luchik. You see, but it's cooling. You feel cold or no?
I feel cold. I feel cold.
Then how you want to take clothes? You want to wear clothes?
Yes.
Yes, I take clothes, okay? You wear clothes? Okay. You wait for mama, okay?
Yes.
Luchik!
No, I mean go.
You stay here first and you see mama check camera. Come. Wait, sit here so they can see you. There can see you. Sit. Luchik.
But maybe for Luchik need large rice, I'm not sure.
I don't know, let's see. But he already ate egg. I
He
cooked like 3 pieces of egg he finished. Scrambled egg.
Nice garden here, right?
Yeah.
Like it's literally pretty huge here.
Oh, you feel shy. Hello.
Not okay.
Hello.
Hello. I be scared.
Oh, no need to be scared.
Do we scared?
Like curious also. She will finish already, coconut. You didn't say thank you to Papa.
Coconut.
You say thank you to Papa.
Coconut.
You say thank you to Papa. Don't forget to say thank you. This is Papa's coconut.
Now next time you need to order already for your separate coconut. You see.
Mm.
She managed to finish all coconut.
Like they are very thirsty. It's very thirsty all the time.
Ooh.
You say thank you to Papa.
Thank you. Show my water. Show my water.
More water.
My Luchik water.
May I still order tea or no? May I still order tea? I want hot tea. You still have? I want like some hot tea. Hot tea? Yeah, we have.